What's up, people? What's up, viewers? My name is Yochin, and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. Now, females in general, every female, I believe that every female should them for know what them want and know how to get where them want. You want a good life, you want a financially stable life, know how to get it. First, you have to learn how to get that life independently. You have to learn how to get that life independently. If you can't get it independently, you have to depend on somebody else, them are going to abuse you. Them are going to take advantage of you. Now, I see that video here with a cat here get fear ass pop, you understand? Fear man kick her up in her head, in her back, and she just lay down there, take it. Now, me believe so if we stop the violence against women, and we should rather say prevent violence against women. Why me say so? There are red flags, you understand? Whole heap of red flags away. No for identify that a person is an abuser. Now, information is saying that this man is coming from court for a case where them a try him to beat the same woman here where him a beat where they on the ground. He a come from court in a case where them a try him because him beat her. And as soon as him left court, him a beat her again. And it is also said that I'm baby mother. You understand them there, I'm baby mother. And he mash her up wicked and go court. And as soon as him left court, him start pan her again. Now, what would be interested to know, because me don't know if it's a case where after court done, the two of them walk out of the court together, like them good, or is a case where after court done, she got the left, him got the right, or act like him got the right, and then whap it back on her and come beat her because him vex with her for what just happened in a court. I'm not sure which one, but if for the case where you and him walk out of the court together, mama, you play with their life, bro. You play with their life because the red flag them obvious. You're not supposed to do with that man. If a man willing to do something to you, where hurt you, where you not accept, you're not supposed to do this, so why keep it so? In sex good, you need to sacrifice that. There's other man out there who are going to treat you better, we can sex you, probably better than him. Or if a man him have, you need to sacrifice that cash because you can lose your life just for that. For have that nice life. And go work for it yourself. Or go find somebody else. But have the amount of cash we have or even more that will treat you better. Because this a man here, the man tap up in the catty head. The man a jump in the catty head. And when him done jump and she did a ball, him kick her up in her back. Some healthy kick and some healthy jump in her head. Me a wonder if her skull probably bust her too. She put her hand underneath her heads. Beside her head and the car and the asphalt. So I probably that make her head no bust up her sitting. Because her hand a cushion her head from the ground. But the man a jump up in the air and go down in her head hard. And you can see same hold on the wall and spring up and jump in her head. I don't know why woman stay around in a relationship when a man a beat you. From a man put him hand on you once, it a go happen again. It a go happen again. You understand? If a man put him hand on you and you there take that, it's going to happen again. And my advice to some woman where in a relationship and things are going wrong and don't know what to do, you need to seek professional advice. Not sometimes some of the friend them not good no sensible advice. So they need to seek professional advice. Cause get counseling, you understand? And get some professional advice. Counseling important if you get the right counselor. And as well I said before, I not believe in a stop the violence against women. I believe in a prevent violence against women. As I say, the red flag them is how you prevent violence against women. You understand? You can observe how a man treat somebody or listen to what him say when him talk about him previous relationship, how him treat them people there. Same way I'm gonna treat you, you understand? If him say after him left such and such girl, him do them this and that and way and tear. After him left you, it a go happen. Whatever him do them other woman there, where it is a situation where them provoke him to do it, then it's highly possible he will do it to you. So you listen to what them say, how them treat people, and you will know. If you're sensible, you will know that is the same way he will treat you. And one more thing, where me personally believe say for happen to that man, yeah, I don't believe nothing for happen to him. Not a thing for happen to him. What should happen is him forget him picture every woman in Jamaica know him and avoid him. So when him do that, he won't get the chance to abuse no woman again. Similar to this or like this. No fun I go say, yo, him fi dead and way and dead. That there's a lot of man out there who are the worse than him. And you nah say them for dead, or if you get the opportunity, you nah kill them. Because you know them and no fun have friend and family. Cousin, brother and way and tell we do these things and are probably worse than what him a do. And you nah say them for dead. Them for dead, why them not for dead too if you feel like say him for dead. Me not feel like the man for them, me not feel them way there. As I say, prevention. Every woman know who him be and stay away from him. You understand? And no found no woman we quick for jump up and say yo him for dead. No found no dead with man we kill people, you know. And know that for a fuck, you know. We a shoot and stab and kill people and you know say them for dead. You understand? But this a man a beat a woman and say him for dead. No, prevent these things from happening. Stop the violence against woman. No, prevent the violence against woman. Which one better? Stop the violence against woman after them get beaten, or prevent the violence against woman. Them not get no beaten at all. Now more the police them find this man and deal with him, you understand? I'm hope the woman here wise up and cut off the man completely. If you live in yard, you need to find the courage and leave out of that yard. If you have to go back to your mother yard or your father yard, go catch beside one of your friends, you need to lift up. If a female yard there. If a him there your yard, get him out. You understand? By all means, get him out. Now remember, my name is YIP and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe.